Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix common PayPal problems. First, always check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for smooth transactions. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies, as old data can cause glitches. Also, make sure your PayPal mobile application is updated to its newest version to access all features and security patches. These initial steps often resolve many minor issues quickly and efficiently, saving you time and frustration. Many issues stem from unverified account details or outdated information. It's essential to confirm your email address and phone number are fully verified within your PayPal settings. Additionally, ensure all linked payment methods, like bank accounts or credit cards, are current and not expired. Regularly reviewing your recent activity for any unfamiliar transactions can also help identify and resolve security concerns promptly, protecting your funds. When facing transaction errors, first verify your available balance or the status of your linked funding sources. Incorrect recipient details are a common cause for failed payments, so double-check them carefully. Be aware of PayPal's transaction limits, which can vary based on your account status and verification level. If a payment is pending, it might be awaiting the recipient's acceptance or a security review, which usually resolves within 24 hours. If self-help steps don't resolve your problem, it's time to contact PayPal support. For transaction disputes or unauthorized activity, use the Resolution Center within your account. For other complex issues, reach out to customer service directly via phone or secure message. Be prepared to provide specific details, including transaction ID, dates, and error messages, to help them assist you efficiently. Their team is available 7 days a week to help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.